alaihi wasallam has said, who recites Salat 100 times upon me, Allah writes between both of his eyes that he is free from nifaq and hellfire, and will keep him with the shuhada on the day of judgment. Sallu ala al-Habib. Dear Islamic brothers, today the topic of my speech is respect of parents. First of all, we should know the status of parents. Dear Islamic brothers, parents are our real relatives and friends. They are our great teacher and lover. Our parents guide us from our birth to death. Due to parents, our house becomes full of happiness. They teach us manners of all things. They ask how should we live. They teach us manners of eating, manners of drinking, manners of walking, manners of talking, manners of speaking, manners of reading, manners of waiting, manners of smiling, manners of meeting, and even manners of all things. Without parents, our house is lonesome. Without parents, our house becomes full of sadness. The value of parent is very important and great for those who have no their parents. But by the grace of Allah Al-Wajal, we are very lucky that we have our parents alive. We look them daily and get harim by their face. So we should respect our parents with heart and soul. There are many actions who show the respect of parents. Now I also tell you some of them. We should fulfill their every order. We should not speak the aloud. We should not break their heart. We should not call them with their names. We should obey them. We should love them very much. May Allah make our parents a mean of forgiveness for us. May Allah also make us able to act upon this speech. Ameen. Sallu ala al-Habib.